Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can put anything on t-shirt using PicsArt. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my PicsArt application on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to create new project. So here I'm just going to choose for example this a t-shirt. Okay guys, and I'm going to show you how we can put something on this t-shirt. If you want to do that, you can go to the blending tools. Wait, I'm going to add picture to this t-shirt. So I'm going to click on add photo, and for example guys, I'm going to add for example this one. Okay, I'm going to put it on the t-shirt. Okay, and then you can either blend it or not, but I'm going to blend the t-shirt with this picture. So I'm going to go to the blend. Okay, and then we can try it one by one and choose the best result. Okay, I'm going to try the lighten, but it's just too simple. Or we can combine it with other pictures. Okay, I'm just going to go to the add photo menu, and I'm going to bring wait, I'm going to select for example this one. Okay, and I'm going to blend it again. We can go to the blend, and then you can choose the type of the blend. Actually, I choose this one, but it's up to you guys. Depends on your style, of course. Okay, and I'm going to add sticker as well. So here guys, in film and the PicsArt will be able to get a lot of sticker like this. I'm going to make it smaller. Okay, like this. If you want to get more stickers, just go to the sticker menu. Okay, and then once you're ready, you can click on this check mark. Okay guys, and that's all the way to put anything on the t-shirt in PicsArt. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.